Hello from America's heartland and the headquarters of Pinnacle Wealth in Sioux Falls. I'm Kevin Engbers, Certified Financial Planner, Wealth Advisor, CEO and founder of Pinnacle Wealth. Welcome back as we continue this video series where we showcase some of the Pinnacle Wealth distinguishing differentiators, the guiding principles of Pinnacle Wealth. We have two guiding principles remaining, so today is number 6, and it's the one of my favorites. It's the E for education. It is important to see how this all comes together, so here's a brief review summary of the guiding principles. Pinnacle Wealth as a company was born from my personal life-changing experiences. It inspired our company's birth more than 35 years ago, and it remains the foundation of why we do what we do. With that depth of clarity in our reason for existence, our vision is that everyone can experience a life confidently enjoyed. There's a separate video that provides a deeper understanding of our roots and the impact of the benefits of our founding mission. Our clarity of vision gave life to our mission of guiding the journey to true wealth, which is what we do. True wealth is different for everyone. It's personal, it's identifiable, and it's as individualized as your fingerprint. We are passionate in our belief that true wealth is available, it's achievable, attainable for everyone. Even though the true wealth destination is personal and unique to you, the journey to true wealth is similar in that it requires a personal, proactive game plan. A game plan that's designed and tailored with a custom fit and is built plumb or true, specifically for you. How we deliver our vision and mission rests in our guiding principle, which is to be the most trusted guide for financial and life advice. So let's dive deeper into our guiding principle number 6 and learn how the E, education, elevates the first 5 guiding principles to a whole nother level. We began with the introduction of our foundational guiding principle and the importance of time. Time, that precious, valuable, properly utilized, not wasted, but invested time. Then we explored the value of personal responsibility when compared to personal prosperity and how it's crucial to those who pursue a life of true wealth. The next distinctive difference at Pinnacle Wealth was revealed through our personal blueprinting and plumb line process. We designed and built our personal evaluation process so we could achieve a deeper understanding of you. This goes beyond being able to answer questions about you. It's an understanding you with such clarity through helping you uncover your why, establishing your values, identify your purpose, and find focus through your individual mission. Then together, we collaboratively outline your 1, 3, 5, and 10-year goals with actionable items that should elevate your goals from dreams to reality. All designed and built and implemented to improve your financial confidence. Then we revealed our commitment to being stewards. By providing stewardship, we offer guidance, responsibility, preservation, and continued management and accountability to you and your financial life game plan. We take this honor and privilege as seriously as if the assets in the plan were our very own. We introduced you to the concept of the 4 uses of money: to live, give, owe, and grow. We reiterated that our guiding principles are not off the shelf, one size fits all. They are tailored, custom fit specifically for you. It gives you that moment. When like properly fit clothing, you can't help but say, this is so comfortable and feels so good. As with every Pinnacle Wealth guiding principle, our approach to education is also different from others. The traditional education process that you might have experienced since kindergarten through the dissemination and memorization of data and facts. Education historically reiterates information to us and then assigns us a grade based on our ability to recall that information on a test, right? That's how we're normally educated. With good grades, they move you on up the class and ultimately proclaim you have a knowledge by giving you a degree. However, it's when that knowledge is sifted through the challenges of life that one can potentially obtain wisdom. When you have guides that over time have encountered success and have worked through setbacks, you discover that a dose of wisdom can help navigate the obstacles and the opportunities in life. What is the defining difference? They're advisors, people that educate by teaching. But I would suggest not all teaching has necessarily the training component. Teaching shouldn't just always conclude with a specific product recommendation that results in a sale. It should have a variety of possible solutions to any problem. The Pinnacle Wealth Guiding Principle number 6 believes in education that not only teaches, but it should also train. I do explain this in more detail in my book, True Wealth. When my children were young and teaching them to tie their shoes, I could see that they were understanding that you had to make those bunny ears and then the loop and pull it through, but they were struggling in being able to complete the task that I was teaching. With one success and subsequent repetition, they were tying their shoes without even thinking. Now filled in their subconscious, they were shoe tying trained. Another example is teaching your children how to make their bed, hospital corners and all. The teaching was the easy part, but they were not trained until they were able to complete the task on their own without asking or needing further instruction. And probably the best example is teaching someone to ride a bike. You teach them with training wheels to shorten the learning timeline so that they can maximize the time for a free ride. This level of teaching and training is integral to finding your freedom and the planning process. Teaching and training. It's another valuable and distinguishing Pinnacle Wealth differentiator. We just don't provide workshops to teach, workshops where the intent involves selling a product or a service. Instead, our educational process is designed with a purpose to improve and enhance your ability to experience a life confidently enjoyed. On behalf of everyone at Pinnacle Wealth, thank you for that opportunity to allow us to be your guides on the journey to the pinnacle of wealth we call True Wealth. Next time we'll wrap this up and put a bow on guiding principles. Until then, your guides and your journey continues at pinnaclewealth.com. Life is far too short. Let's make it great.